right, here is what you're going to need in order to check today's Bellringer. Before we go over it, you might want to maybe take a look at what some of the mistakes are going to be. Like if you're a really competitive person and you don't want me to just give you the answers, you might want to get some clues as to what some other mistakes might be. So I told you that I found 6. One of them is going to have to do with then and then. These two words get mixed up a lot. When you use THEN, you're dealing with time, where you can kind of think of the word next. You could always kind of replace the then with this word in your mind and see if it would make sense. When you're using THAN, you use this version when you're comparing something. So when you look at today's sentence, I want you to think about which one of these should be used. Are we comparing something, or are we, dealing with time? There are also some words in there that are breaking the double consonant rule. So if you have some words that are 2 syllables and you hear a short vowel, there should be a double consonant. And also a drop the E rule. So when we're adding a suffix that begins with a vowel, we usually want to drop the E at the end of the word. So if you want to pause the video and go back and check your sentence to make sure you identified these mistakes and fixed them, you can do that. And then right now we're going to go over the corrections. So the first thing that we want to do is, check for capitals and punctuation. And I noticed that my first word is not capitalized, and I don't have punctuation at the end. I probably should have read this to you first too. My mom thinks the puppy is cuter than the kitten. So my mom, it's fine, thinks the puppy. I hear 2 vowels there. 2 vowel sounds, sorry. So there's 2 syllables. I hear and E. There's puppy. It's a 2-syllable word, and the vowel sound in the beginning is saying So this word should actually be spelled with 2 consonants. Okay. My mom thinks the puppy is cuter. Cutier is kind of what that looks like right now. If we were just spelling the word cute, it would be like that. We're adding the suffix and it starts with a vowel, so we actually need to remove that E. This word then, remember how I told you that if it's THEN, you could kind of try to replace it with the word next and see if it would make sense. So we can do that. My mom thinks the puppy is cuter next the kitten. Doesn't really make sense. We're talking about comparing. Remember that in Monday's Bellringer, I also said that ER can mean that you're comparing something. So if you see that ER, that's a clue. We're comparing the cuteness of a puppy and a kitten. So this one should actually be the THAN. And then here we are, this word kitten. Right now, this word actually looks like chitin, right? Kitten. I hear 2 syllables. I hear an I and an eh. We need to make that T a double consonant. There we go. There's your mistakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. So go ahead and check them with yours and see how you did.